opening up the BTS BEARBRICK made by Medicom. Here's the 100% BEARBRICK. And here's the 400% BEARBRICK. You can only purchase the BEARBRICKs from the Japanese official fan club, so we had our friend buy it for us.
I love his outfit.
The outfits are inspired by their performance outfits in the concerts. Kind of reminds me of outfit that Rap Monster once wore.
Really? I think it's Tae's. I'm not sure though. But he reminds me of Tae with his outfit. It's really cute. So this is the second BEARBRICKs, right?
Yeah,
with Medicom.
The first one came out in 2015.
Yes. I'm excited. Now we open the
400.
the big one. Ooh.
Here's our 400%. It's humongous compared to the 100%.
Right? He's so cute. So the design, the design on both of them are exactly the same. Just the size is different. Have the logo, BTS logo on the back. He looks so chubby, he's so cute. So the first version, the 400% BEARBRICK came with the photo card, huh? But this model doesn't have any photo card. So this is how they look next to each other. It's so cute.
There's a giant difference between their sizes.
So what do you think? You prefer this design or the first version?
I kind of like the first version's design.
Really? I like this one better. I don't know.
This one's more simple.
That's true though. It seems like less detail, huh?
Yeah.
The last one have a little star there, you know. It's really cute still though. Anyway, we really enjoy the new BEARBRICKs.
Yeah.
That's great that Medicom collabs with BTS. I cannot wait for the third one. Alright, you guys.
Thank you
That's it for
guys
today.
watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. We love you.